Real estate agencies that offer credit repair services are a deadly duo. Here are 3 ways integrating Dispute Panda will elevate your client offerings. 1. If real estate agencies had clients with credit scores higher than 620, they'd be able to sell more houses. By pairing with Dispute Panda, real estate professionals can expedite the process to sell to a client, since Dispute Panda's process is 70% faster compared to other credit repair businesses. This is a win-win for agencies and clients who are eager to restore their credit and to buy a house as soon as possible. 2. You'd be able to offer a solution instead of turning customers away. Instead of losing a potential client due to lower credit scores, you would be able to close that deal sooner. If clients relocated a percentage of their down payment to boost their credit score, they would save more money on their mortgage during the term of their loan through a lower interest rate. 3. Dispute Panda services CROs who may require real estate investments. We have thousands of small business owners signing up each month who may want to clean up their credit to obtain business funding for real estate investments. That's access to a steady flow of more clients. Share this video with someone who needs to hear how credit repair softwares can level up your business.